Hey guys, thanks for visiting my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Tailors of Old Bond Street Sandalwood Shaving Cream. Okay, whether you use a cream or a soap, there's various different ways you can lather up your face for a decent shave. I would definitely recommend you avoid any of the aerosol foams and gels that just, once you've tried a decent cream or a decent soap, you'll never go back to using those aerosols, I promise you. So, Tailors of Old Bond Street's been established since 1854, so even older than I am, and they do a full range of men's shaving products. They also do deodorants and that sort of thing as well, across a number of different fragrances. That I think they do lime and rose and that sort of thing, and this is their sandalwood one. So sandalwood, if you've not really come across it in any of your products before, is got that real traditional manly smell. I love the smell of sandalwood. Inside the tub you'll see I've had this one for a couple of weeks. It's a thick, gloopy, actual cream. It smells divine, I have to say. It smells beautiful to use. A lovely, thick, creamy texture. I absolutely adore this stuff. It's been my #1 go-to shave cream for well over a year now. I've always used the sandalwood ones. I keep promising to myself that I'm going to try one of their other ones, like maybe their lime one, and then I run out of this and then I get the same one again because I love it so much. I will promise next time I buy one, I'll buy a different scent, and I will review that one as well, I promise. Going on, it's really easy. So to use it, it's pretty straightforward. I tend to find that if you leave your shave brush in the bowl of water while you're prepping your skin, it just helps it loosen up and helps it to take in more water, and therefore give you a better lather when you're using it. So you just lather up round your face as you would with any other facial product. It goes on really thick and creamy. It's got a lovely feel to it. It has a very manly, clean smell to it. In conclusion, guys, Tailors of Bond Street, the Sandalwood Shaving Cream. I absolutely adore this. If you're looking for a new cream to try, whether you want to try a different brand or you've never actually used a cream to shave before, definitely recommend you try this one first. So guys, I hope you found the video useful. Please take a moment to leave a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel, because YouTube uses numbers of thumbs up and numbers of comments on a video to decide if it should show it in search engines and watch next lists. If you're not already a subscriber, click the subscriber button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos every single week. Thank you for visiting the channel, and I hope to see you again real soon.